$100 every single day, $100 every single day, guys. So one of you sent me a link, and it looks like an advertisement, and on the link they're trying to say you could earn up to $100 every single day. Okay, it looks like a website, and it was on the website that I could earn up to $100 every single day. That is $100. This is a whole lot of money in a month. This is a whole lot of money in 3 or 4 months time. Okay, and from this user, I don't want to mention any name on this video. They are trying to say this is one of the latest opportunity that is out there. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to give my stake on this business. Okay, I'm going to give my stake on what this is all about. I'm going to give my stake on what I think. Okay, what I think about this business. Okay, now I'm talking with respect to what I think. Okay, it may not be what every other person thinks, but I'm going to give my verdict. Okay,
and just in case you find any of our content helpful, kindly like and then also drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe so that whenever we share updates like these, they're gonna come right on your inbox. Okay,
all right. So I believe most all of you should have come across so many sites out there which they are telling you put some money, you can earn some money like this. Okay, now what I want to say about this, I want to say in this part of the video may cause me some problems, as I think some people will come for me, or some people will feel that I'm trying to tarnish their business and so on, but I'm just telling what I think. Okay, what I think about this business, that is what I'm saying. Okay, now I believe most all of you should have come across a site called the Cloud Boost. Okay, some people call it Cloud WDC or CWC, cloudadvertising.co. This site, guys, I believe most of you have come across this site. So on the side, they are trying to say you could earn from advertisement, earn some money from advertisement. So when this person sent me the link, I tried to do some Google research, because you cannot just see a site and start pumping money. You cannot see a site and start putting money. So I tried to do some Google research, and I found that it is not possible to make bank deposit on the site. Guys, I explained to you this time and again. If you are asked to invest in any site, and you cannot do bank transfer, you cannot deposit money in banks, it simply means the owners of the site are hiding. They are hiding. Okay, I was skeptical. I wanted to put some money. Okay, I noticed bank deposit is not possible on the site. This simply means these are some anonymous users, anonymous website owners which are behind computers, and they are trying to come up with some ideas to extort money from people. Okay, that is what I think. Okay, now for the fact that bank deposit is not possible, it's already, there is a question in my mind on, okay, what is this site all about? So when I did some more research about who is the founder of this site, WDC or whatever, Cloud DC, Cloud Boost, who is the founder of the site, guys? There is no founder. If you try to search online, you find a founder which has been seen on a video from online, then you've done enough research. But I've done my part, and I could not find any owner. I could not find a video of the owner, because most businesses, person will say, hey guys, I'm the CEO, this is how the business works, and give me your money, I'm gonna do these kind of things for you to get money. There is nothing like that online. It's just a blank website. It's just a site with so many contents, nice contents, and they're asking you, this is where you can deposit, this is where you can withdraw. But who is the owner? We don't know. Okay, I do not know. So do you think it is a good idea to put money on the site, or would you advise me to put money on this kind of a site? I believe no. Okay, and I also think you shouldn't, because if you cannot find the owner, you are sending your money to who? If you cannot deposit in banks, you cannot make down bank deposit on the website, it simply means the owners do not want you to know them. Because obviously, if there is a website and they are accepting bank deposits, it simply means the owners of this website or the founders of the website should have gone through a thorough bank verification process. Okay, before you create a bank account, I don't know how it's done in your own country, but in our country, for you to create a bank account, you need to give your address, your personal information like the ID card, your ID. Okay, you need to give other information like location plan, how can they locate you, and then you also have to go to the bank in person, and they're gonna take some photos of you, take some some very important information about you, in which case if you do some bad business or bad transaction with the account, you can be held. Now, for the fact that these guys are not allow you to receive money from banks, it simply means they are trying to hide their identity. And if you check all these wallets, if you try to check all these wallets that are receiving the money, none of these wallets, I don't think none of them will be Binance, because Binance, it goes through the same verification process. But other wallets like the Trust wallet, there is no verification process, and they can really get away with the whole thing. Okay, so guys, be careful out there. You know, these guys have come up with different ideas to extort money from people. They started by being saying that you know, you watch videos, you earn. They continued by saying there are a crypto airdrop. They continued by saying they are earning money from arbitrage. They continued by saying they are, you know, now they're coming with different ideas that you earn money from advertisement. What money? What advertising company can pay up to $100 every single day, guys, for a single person? It's not possible. These are not possible. These are methods we can reason and find that this is not really possible. Okay, so guys, watch it out there, and I don't want you guys to lose some money from online, and I need you all to cut your teeth and dot your eyes while you are on the online space. If you feel that there is a business which you want to know whether it's legit or not, and let us know in the comment, and we're gonna do a review about it, and we're going to inform you like every other person is doing. Okay, so for now, bye bye and stay blessed. This is my very good video. This is what I think. This video is not to tarnish any business, but there are some activities, or there are some things that some businesses are doing which is really not acceptable from online. Okay, so bye bye and stay blessed, and I look forward to see you in my other video.